Struggling to rename a document in Zoho Books? Learn the exact 6-step method to do it in under 30 seconds. First, open Zoho Books and navigate to the Documents section. Then follow these simple steps to rename any file. Start by opening Zoho Books in your browser. Then, in the left sidebar, click on the Documents module to see your files. Find the document you want to rename and click on it to open it. Now, click on the Settings icon that appears. It looks like a gear. From the drop-down menu, choose Rename. Type the new name for your document and hit Enter or click Away to save it. Your document is renamed. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.